Michael, I'll go to you. Just from looking at the interview, there really, I mean, it plays out, Jennifer, what we saw on the stand and who she is. She was much more methodical and unemotional. She's thinking about getting a lawyer. He's like, no, we can talk here. And he was even getting emotional. What effect, if any, will that have on this jury?
I think it'll have a big effect, especially if he ends up taking the stand, right? Because here's the thing, Michael. This case, whether or not it should have been brought, people just have to understand that negligence is very easy to prove when somebody dies, especially when multiple kids die, right? So the burden of proof is not very high. So when you're the attorney and you're talking to your client, you have to, everything is a Hail Mary at this point, especially when you know that the mother who had better facts than you got convicted, right? By the same population of people. Right? So everything is important. So taking the stand and showing emotion is important because she is very robotic, right? That does not play well, right? So he has to take the stand, in my opinion, because negligence is a very easy burden of proof for the prosecution to overcome when somebody dies. Technically, it should be the same burden of proof as if somebody just broke their ankle. But it's not. There's something, the gravity is different. So he has to take the stand. He's already crying in the courtroom. Hey, you're crying in the courtroom, just move your chair from here to there and cry over there, right? This is going to be important because the only shot he has is at a hung jury. He's not going to get 12 people to acquit him. He's got to get one person in there who believes deeply that it's okay to buy a gun. It's not your fault that somebody else took the gun and shot somebody, and you know, the emotion is going to sway that person.